We are back with another how-to style. Today, the Nike Dunk Low Panda is on the agenda. And I actually did a quick lace swap. So in today's video, you're going to see both this with the black laces and also the white laces. A lot of you guys were asking for more how to style videos. I thought, well, hey, the Panda's just restocked and Nike plans to keep restocking them every now and then. So I thought, the most popular pair of dunks that's out there right now, why don't we throw together some fits and talk about how to style them. So for anybody who is maybe thinking about getting a pair of these, or for anybody who has a pair and just wanted some outfit ideas, we're going to get into all of that today. The very simple nature of just black and white contributes massively to how popular these are, and you would technically think, okay, well, they're going to be super easy to style, but at the same time, you can make these look super dope, or you can make them look pretty trash. Either way, today I put together 5 different outfits to kind of show off how nice these can look in different ways, and of course show off the versatility of this really dope colorway. So without further ado, let's get into outfit number 1. So with outfit number 1, of course, all black, one of the easiest options to go with these pairs of shoes to make them look super clean. Now, I kind of wanted to try and make them a little bit more dressier, like we know that you can dress these down and make them look super dope as just a very casual, throw on a pair of shorts and these look dope kind of fit. But at the same time, I thought, hey, well, let's throw on some Levi's 501 jeans. Now, even though it's nothing incredibly fancy, the Levi's jeans definitely make these look pretty cool. It's the 501, so they're a little bit more, I guess, flared towards the bottom, which I think is definitely a little bit more of a trendy look. Up top, we kept it super simple as well, just a black t-shirt, and then this jacket, which I think looks really smart, is the Black Tailor cargo jacket. Now again, you can kind of go a little bit dressier or a little bit dressed down depending on what jacket you want to throw into this fit, but you could go for a black workwear jacket that I think would look perfect with this pair of sneakers. Either way, I think an all black outfit not only goes with the shoes super well, but it also makes this shoe stand out a lot more. As you can see, the sneakers are really what's bringing the attention to the outfit, and that's why I think this is such a great fit for this pair of Pandas. Outfit number 2, we're getting into a little bit more of a colorful option. In terms of colorful, I mean just all over gray. So finding the midpoint between these Pandas, the black and the white, we're going with gray. I think an all over gray outfit is probably one of my favorites to go with the Pandas. It kind of doesn't just keep it plain with an all over white or an all over black. It just meets in the middle, and I think, again, accentuates these Pandas perfectly. Fit I got on here is super simple. For the pants, we've got a pair of Black Tailor cargo pants, and then up top, we've got a Represent graphic t-shirt. Now you could go all over plain and just have a plain gray t-shirt on, but I kind of wanted the graphic. I think that looks a little bit cool, and graphic t-shirts always make the outfit just a little bit more interesting, so I think that's a perfect fit for this outfit. Either way, the cargo pants I think look really sick. They're from Black Tailor. It's got the adjustable cuff, so you could technically wear these with invisible socks and have a pretty cool look, or you could even just unadjust it all the way so it kind of hangs over the shoe if you prefer that look. I feel like with this all over gray outfit, you can play with the different tones to make it a little bit more interesting. Lighter, darker grays, even a heather gray would look pretty cool, but altogether, something like this I think goes fantastic with these Pandas. Today's video is sponsored by DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner of the NFL. Now, I've partnered with DraftKings to tell you guys about the huge offer that they've got for this weekend's big game. All new customers get 56-1 odds on either football team to win this weekend. Bet just $5 and win $280 in free bets if your team wins. Now, if Sportsbook isn't available in your state, well, you still got something to play for this weekend. Everyone can play for their share of millions of dollars in total prizes with DraftKings daily fantasy football contests. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app now and use promo code Elliot. Get yourself 56-1 odds on this weekend's big game. And again, bet just $5 and get $280 in free bets if your team wins. That's promo code Elliot at DraftKings Sportsbook. Outfit number 3, we're playing with the colors on this one. We're getting a little bit outside of black and white and gray, and we're going to camo. A pair of camo pants that I've got on is a Levi's cargo, and again, it has a much baggier, definitely more trendy skating vibe to it. You can wear any kind of camo pants. I think it's super versatile. And then again, the camo, the black, the white, I think goes together perfectly. Now up top, I wanted to kind of match the fit a little bit, so I went with a black t-shirt, which I think looks cool, even though I don't think it's necessary necessary to pull this fit together. And then for the jacket, we've got a Zara zip-up workwear jacket. Yes, flat white, you would probably call it. Either way, this is a really nice option. I think it goes with dunks perfectly. Like, a lot of the workwear stuff goes really, really nicely. Overshirts in general go super nicely with a pair of dunks. And as we're going through these fits, I am increasingly liking the white laces on here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Are you taking black laces or white laces? Either way, for the next fit, we are dressing this down completely, which I think is actually probably the best looking option for a pair of black and white Panda dunks. Is just literally chucking on a pair of basketball shorts. So right here, you could not get any more simple. I've got on a pair of Zara basketball shorts, which are super basic, super plain. You can really go crazy with the basketball shorts. I just think the way that basketball shorts look, like I'm lounging around the house, I'm just chilling. I think that's the look we're trying to go for. So up top, I'm showing you guys again how much like gray goes with these pandas. I've got on a heather gray hoodie. Now, something I wanted to highlight but didn't actually get b-roll of this is wearing white and black socks. I can wear black or white socks and I think it looks super cool. Now, would I go with colored socks? Potentially no, I probably wouldn't. I think shorts look super clean with these, and I think that's why this is such a seasonless pair of sneakers. Like, you can wear them in the winter and I think they look dope. You can wear them in the summer and I think they look even more dope. Final fit, we are going for a little bit more of, like I said, we're going all over black, we're getting murdered out again, but I think this is a little bit more of a street style look. So as you can see, we got some cargo pants on, and these are really like one of my favorite cargo pants that I have right now. It's from Black Taylor, it's called the X1 Cargo, and I think these go super well with these dunks. So as you can see, they got about 1 million different pockets on them, and I think that adds to the street style nature of this fit. Now up top, we got a hoodie on, but I didn't want to just stop at the hoodie, so I chucked on a Represent puffer vest, which I think ties this outfit in together great. Now the hoodie is from Wings of Liberty clothing. It's like one of my favorite hoodies right now. It's super great quality, like thick, it feels great, it's super warm, great for the winter time. Puffer vest from Represent is all over down, so that is an extra layer of warmth all over. Again, super easy outfit, but if you want to go for a little bit more of a street style, chuck on some all over black cargos, maybe like the ones that I did, and I think you've got a banger of an outfit right here. So that is 5 different ways that I'm going to be styling and rocking the Nike Dunk Low Panda. Now, if you're going through this and you want a little bit more information on my specific sizing and what I'm wearing in terms of small, medium, and large, you can find that all down in the description. Now, along with that, I'll add links for everything that I'm wearing in case you wanted to take some inspiration. Anything that caught your eye, you can find it all down in the description below. But that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one, but until then.